guys, today we are going to be doing a simple studio setup in my home, and then it's just going to be very mini. You don't have to look for a bogus stuff or whatever. So before we move on, as usual, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, LiftUp InfoTech. Share this video to friends and family, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. So guys, let's go there right now. Okay, so we are gonna take a look at all the products we are gonna be using for our studio setup and everything. And before we move on, also I would like to make this simple announcement to you. Whenever you're watching our videos, make sure you click on the CC, that's the closed caption button on our YouTube videos, so as to get closed captions for our videos, which is something related to subtitle. So let's go there right now. So first of all, we have the Alctron. We have this Alctron. Is a simple studio microphone screen, and I also did an unboxing video of this. So if you haven't watched it, make sure you click on the link in the description section, or you can also see this video as an end screen at the end of this video. So we have the Alctron. Also, another product we are gonna need is this product. This is just a laptop. This is a Dell Latitude 5520. This is a Dell Latitude 5520. So I actually have this with me. I also have a microphone. This is a audio technical microphone. So this is a microphone I actually did an unboxing also about. So if you don't know about this microphone and you need an unboxing video of it, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can see it as an end screen, and also you can see the link in the description section below also. And also I got a mic stand. Yes, this is a mic stand. We're gonna be needing this or using this also for our simple studio or our mini studio. And then I have the big daddy here. This is the Scarlett 212 Studio. This Scarlett 212 Studio is a mini studio. It comes with the audio interface, it comes with the condenser microphone and the headphones. So we are going to be using this for this simple studio mini studio we want to create here right now. Another thing you're going to need is a table and a chair. So I'm actually on this kind of chair. You see, it's like a 360 chair, it rotates around, and I have a plastic table with me. And you can also get a more advanced table than this, but whatever. So let's go there to set up our mini simple studio. Okay, so let's start right now to set up the studio. So you can see this is a Scarlett Studio condenser microphone. It's a very heavy microphone, and I have this thing attached to it so that we're able to attach it to our mic stand. Like I've told you, like we have the mic stand here. Also we have the XLR cable. You can get this when you purchase the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 Studio, the full box and everything. You'll be able to get all this. This is the XLR cable. And we also have the headphones here for a simple mini studio we want to create. We have the USB Type-C to be able to power our audio interface. We also have the Alctron PF8, and this will help us to be able to reduce environmental noise when producing our live broadcast, podcast, and also premium music. And also we have the Focusrite audio interface. This is a very special and important product when having a studio or having a mini studio in your home. I also have my laptop here. This is the Dell Latitude. So let's go there to quickly set up our studio. I also have Cubase opened up here, and the Cubase is a very important software in music production and many more things. We also have other software like the Ableton, FL Studio, Propeller Racing also. So let's go there. Okay, so we have to attach this to the mic stand, and let's do that very quick. Okay, so this is there like that, and it's all well good and okay and perfect. So then we have to add the XLR cable. So this will be attached to this, and the other end here will be attached to the audio interface. Okay, so then I will connect this to the audio interface. So we have it that way. So our mic is already attached to our audio interface. So when we say something to the mic, when you sing your songs into the mic, then your audio interface will then input it into your laptop. Let's attach the Alctron PF8 to the Scarlett audio condenser microphone. Okay. Okay, so we have that. Also, let's attach our headphones to the Focusrite audio condenser. So I think I can just get rid of this also, and then we have to power our Focusrite audio interface, and for us to power it we have to make use of the type C USB. Can you see it? It is powered, everything is okay. And you can also see it here, our Focusrite Scarlett 2 i2 3rd generation sample rate. The notification just cleared off, and then everything, our Simple Studio is now set. We can produce live quality podcasts, live broadcasts, and also premium music that you can stream on Spotify and all music distribution platforms. Yes, that's our Simple Studio and everything is okay. I'm here with my big bro here. He's a songwriter, a musician, a rapper, and also a singer. So today we're going to be testing this mini studio we've created, and it's going to be producing a song with this simple mini studio, and we're making use of the Cubase. So guys, let's go there right now.
Nigeria tawa iná lèmi náà ti jírí yà bó wọ́n tún gidi gan kódà gan mo tún ṣe tíṣà àbígbà tá máa já blog jáde nínú sáà lèmi náà kálómi náà kódà wọ́n pè mí láti sáà.
So we just actually did a little editing to the song. My big bro just sang, and also right now we just have to listen to the output, and I tell you the output is amazing. It's amazing. So make sure you set up your mini studio, make use of the Focusrite Scarlett and Alctron. Let's go there, let's listen to the output of this music.
Nigeria tawa iná lèmi náà ti jírí yà bó wọ́n tún gidi gan kódà gan mo tún ṣe tíṣà àbígbà tá máa já blog jáde nínú design lèmi náà kálómi náà kódà wọ́n pè mí láti sáà.
So now you have listened to the song, you can see that the song is premium. I tell you, it's wonderful. So before we move on, support my big bro by following him on TikTok. Also connect him on Viskit. He's on TikTok. Please follow him, connect to him, and the handle is Dave_Shad. Dave DAV_Shad SHAD. Thank you very much. Let's move on with our video. Make sure you subscribe on the LiftUp InfoTech YouTube channel. Subscribe to our videos. Like our videos. Share to friends and family. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, also leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you watch this video with the closed caption so as to get closed caption for our videos and subscribe to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. God bless you.